we now come to our final topic. And it relates directly to this discussion we were having last time, where we found that there was this mysterious process by which energy, electromagnetic energy, can leak out of a system. In particular, we discovered this by looking at the balance of energy or conservation of energy, where the change in the total electromagnetic energy stored in some very complicated system, it could be arbitrary, anything. In this little example, I've got a capacitor and an inductor with electric and magnetic fields and charges moving around through a circuit. And if I think about the total electromagnetic energy contained within some large volume that contains this apparatus, and I look at the total change in electromagnetic energy, we learn that we can account for conservation of energy by equating that to then the negative of any power coming out of the electromagnetic field via its action on charges. So when we look at this total electromagnetic energy, which is just the integral of the energy densities of the electric and magnetic fields, and went ahead and took its time derivative, one term which came out lined up perfectly with, we know, the work that the electromagnetic field does on various charges in the system where we have our experiment being carried out. The mysterious part, though, is that that wasn't all there was. There was this additional mysterious term by which power can leave our volume, and we were able to rewrite that term in a very interesting form, showing that that energy can leak out through the surface of our volume. This term describes energy coming out as a surface integral, where there's some mysterious way that power can be coming out of our system via some other process. And the mysterious thing about this other process, when you look at what's going on, is that its energy appears to be being carried through completely empty space. This volume could be very far away from any of the charges that are in this device that we're studying, but nonetheless very far out on some surface, there is some way that energy seems to be able to be carried out of our volume, even though there is no material crossing this surface. And it seems that somehow the electric and magnetic fields are able to carry that energy away. So what I'd like to do then now is to investigate the possibility of energy being carried in the electromagnetic fields through completely empty space.